Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits using an oven. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For that perfect flaky texture, ensure you have 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, prepare 3/4 cup of cold milk or buttermilk. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, using a pastry blender or your fingertips, cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the cold milk, mixing just until the dough comes together and looks shaggy. Turn it onto a lightly floured surface and gently pat it to about 3/4 inch thick. Before cutting, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat helps them rise beautifully. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting to ensure a good rise. Arrange your cut biscuits about 1 inch apart on an ungreased baking sheet. This spacing allows for even baking and helps them achieve that lovely golden brown crust. It's time to bake. Place your baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown top and a fluffy, tender interior. Once they're perfectly baked, remove them from the oven. These warm, homemade biscuits are best served immediately with a dollop of butter, your favorite jam, or a generous pour of gravy. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.